The deer was laying across the road when she hit it. Now, hold your stomach, folks, but I believe that's the rest of the roadkill remaining. This is what we call the rock and roll test. If you can push the car off, then it don't need to be on the rack. Mr. Duhamel, auto mechanics teacher, taught us this in high school. And boy, has it come in handy over the years. Probably saved my life a time or two. How many of you mechanics used one of these over your career? An Ingersoll Rand? Let me know in the comments section. Here's one of the culprits. A bowed rim and a busted belt in the tire. It's causing a bad vibration from hitting the dead deer across the highway. So we'll have to get the rim straightened and a new tire. The strut's leaking. See how wet it is. And look, I was hit there. All over the exhaust. All down the back of the car. The deer was laying across the road when she hit it. Now, hold your stomach, folks, but I believe that's the rest of the roadkill remaining. I've been turning wrenches for 30 years or more. I started out as a young man in Houston, Texas at a VW and Audi dealership. And boy, has it paid off, other than a lot of back surgery. Busted shocks, bent 2 rims, busted a tire. And that's all I've found so far. But these cars are really, really well built. That's why pay for what you get. Because it could have been really, really bad. But you can see how well built these cars are, all rear independent suspension on them. It's rear wheel drive. You can see how beefed up it is. It's got the rear spring and the shock conversion, rear calipers with the sway bar mounts. Big disc brakes on it. So if you're running 140 like they do in Germany on the Autobahn, and somebody pulls over in your lane, these brakes and rotors will do the job and get you shut down. Everybody knows Mercedes is top notch. So we're gonna get back to it. Thanks for watching. So here we are, compressing the spring so we can get the new strut assembly in. And voila, the strut assembly is installed on the Mercedes 320. The old strut was definitely blown. You should not be able to push this thing at all. Should be able to get that shop there. I don't even think He-Man could push that in. But definitely blue. Fixing to pop the rear shocks on here. We've got to take the trunk liners loose at least. So we can get in there and bust them out real fast. And voila, the Mercedes C320 front strut and rear shock install is complete. No more rattles. Leaves a happy customer. So this will complete our Mercedes versus the Deer video. We hope you enjoyed, and like always, let us know how we're doing in the comments and hit that subscribe button for more. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.